Hey guys, it's Mr. O'Neill. I wanted to take a quick second to show y'all my Canvas homepage here and walk you through a couple of the activities that we're going to be doing on the first day. When we move into the normal class and normal routine, all of our assessments and assignments and daily activities are going to be in the current unit. Everything we do today is going to be deployed through this page right here. So as you see, I don't know where we're at in the day, but you should have already gotten your schedule. You should know where your encore classes are. You should be able to access all that. You should be able to access NC Ed Cloud by now. You should also be able to check your email, and we should be checking that every single day. I want to kind of give you an example of what I'm looking for on this first day student questionnaire. First thing we got to do is make a copy. I don't really know where we're at with that, but there's a different link to a different video that'll show you how to make them copy embedded here. Um, and this is just kind of different questions that I'm asking. If you had a time machine, where and when would you go? Why would you choose to go there? And they're just kind of different questions about different things. There really are no wrong answers. There are just no answers. I'm looking for 2 to 3 sentences per, but please don't stress out. Don't think it's like something that's like, you're going to lose, you know what I mean? Points for, or this is just for me to get to know you. But see, like number 7, if you had to describe yourself in one word, what would it be? Does that need to be 3 sentences? No, it's just going to be one. And then number 9, your turn. I want you to make a question. So once you've already finished these questions, if there's any time left over, go ahead, take a stretch, use the restroom, do something productive around the house, check your agenda, and then meet back with the rest of the class when time is over and we're going to share these. I'm also going to take this time to show you the first day personality traits inventory. I'm not really going to go over the instructions too much because they're written here, but when you scroll all the way down, this is kind of the one that gets complicated. Once you've made your copy, actually answer it. You can do this a couple different ways. You can highlight it. You can actually write be in. However you choose to do it, it's up to you. It's only for you. You're going to be the only one looking at this. The only part that we're going to really look at, we being me and you, or you can share it with your parents and your family, but we're not going to share it with the whole class. This is for us. You basically have to rank each number as 4, 3, 2, 1, where 4 is the most like you and the 1 is most least to be like you. So when you look at number 1, you have to scroll back up here and look at these questions. This is kind of the thing. You have to go back and forth, up and down. And you look when I make decisions. I do it quickly and go with my first impressions. I think about it. I listen to my feelings. I take it seriously. You have to think about which one of these are like you, close to you, and then you rank them down here. So 1 was nothing like me, so that's going to be 4. That was kind of, this one describes me, and that's the only one left, so there. And then at the end, you're going to tabulate your scores, and each column corresponds to a color, and then we're going to talk about what that means at another time. If this counting up at the end gets a little bit difficult, that's okay, it happens. However, just try to get into a rhythm, into a flow, and know you have plenty of time to do this. And if we don't get it all the way done now, you can revisit it during your asynchronous time at the end of the day or during 6 block. I'm going to end it. I appreciate you guys, and you're going to use the text box in the Zoom if you have any questions.